what's going on, my friend Kurtashi here, and in today's training I'm going to talk to you about how to get more signups in your Siphon system using Twitter. Now, we all know how powerful Twitter can be. It's a great source of traffic. The thing is with Twitter, like anything else, you want to be consistent. You're going to want to tweet out about your Siphon system several times during the day. Now, normally what you would do is you would come to your Siphon back office, grab some ad copy, go to Twitter, paste it in, and then tweet that out. Now, you want to do this several times a day with different ad copy. The thing is, you may not have the time to do this manually every single day. Maybe you work a job and you're busy during the day. You may not have time to do it. So I'm going to show you a way to automate that. Alright, so to automate this, we use a script called Twandu. Now, Twandu is short for Twitter Can Do, and it is a 100% free open source Twitter script that you can use to send out automatic tweets, automatic unfollows, automatic direct messages, follow people, etc. Almost anything you can do on Twitter, you can do automatically using Twandu. So I'm going to go and log into my Twandu installation and show you exactly what you can do with Twandu. So once you log into your Twandu installation, and really it's very simple. You download the script, you follow the instructions, you set up an app via Twitter, you connect it, and you're good to go. You can actually add multiple Twitter accounts to your Twandu installation, and as you can see here, it's going to list the username, your ID, your profile image from that account, how many people you're following, how many followers you have, and then you have 3 sections: follows, tweets, and logs. And if there's any changes between your followers and following, when you click the refresh button, it would actually update that. Okay, so it shows me I'm following 638 and I have 3,340 followers. Okay, so I'm going to show you each section, and I'm going to show you how you can use this to dominate your signups in Siphon. So if I click on follows, I'll give you a few seconds here. I can actually auto follow back all my followers or any new followers I have. I can auto unfollow those who aren't following me back, and I can auto DM users after I follow them back. So instead of like a lot of scripts and software, they will send out a DM after a person follows you. Well, this I think is a little more conservative, and it's actually better. Is it will send out a DM on your behalf after you refollow someone. So you've already engaged with them twice. They followed you, you followed them, and then you send them a DM. Okay, so this is a much better setup. You can add exclusions to make sure that the software doesn't unfollow people you want to keep following. You can add them all in here. You can exclude people so you won't follow them. Like if someone follows you, you don't want to follow back, you can actually exclude them in here. You can automatically send out a direct message after you've refollowed somebody. And you can actually also find people to follow. So if I go through here and I can add a keyword, I can do it by tweet, based on a tweet or based on a user. I can follow people in a specific niche. So if I want to choose, let's say, network marketing, I click on search now, it's going to pull up 100 people with that keyword either in their name, their username, or in their profile. And what I do is I go through here and first I'm going to select all users. That's going to select everybody. And then what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and just delete any of the egg things here. These are the default icons. This means either these profiles are brand new or these are just bot profiles that aren't real people. So I'm going to not even bother following those people. And then I just click on follow selected users. And that's going to take about a minute or so to follow. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while it's doing that. Okay, so the script has gone through and followed all those people. And now what's going to happen is it's going to give those people some time to follow me back. And then if they haven't refollowed me, it's going to, by the time the unfollow script runs, it's going to if they haven't refollowed me, it's going to unfollow them. Alright, so that is the follow and unfollow features of Twandu. Now if we go back to the administrator homepage, if I go to my tweets, you can send out a direct tweet from here. You can schedule tweets by just typing a tweet in and choosing a time. Or what I do, you can upload a bulk CSV file, and all you need is 2 columns. It's going to give you want a column that's got the year, month, day, and time you want to post in this format here, and then the next column is going to have your tweet, so you can actually fill up an entire CSV file. Actually, I'll show you one that I have. I have it set up for something else. You go through here and you can actually just add your time and your date. So I have the year, month, and date, the time. I'm doing it once an hour, and then you put your tweets here. And you do that, you upload your tweet, you upload your CSV file to your Twandu installation, and it will automatically tweet that out for you at the times that you have in the CSV, and it's going to base that time on your server's time. So if your server is, say based on Eastern time, it's going to tweet out based upon that time. All right. So that is a fantastic way to get a lot of visitors to your Siphon system. In fact, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and I will actually I'll set up a CSV file for you, and I'll actually have that. You can download that down below, and I will fill it out with different ad copy, and all you have to do is come through here, hit Control F, and replace all the user ID, all the Siphon user IDs with your own user ID. Alright, so it's going to be very simple for you to set this up and get that going. So guys, with that, this is probably one of the best ways to get signups for your Siphon system. Remember, you have a 100% free offer for people to multiply their list by 5 times without having to needing extra traffic and without having to pay a dime for any traffic. So you're going to be you'll get a huge explosion of Siphon signups via Twitter. So with that, again, down below I'll have the link so you can download the Twandu script for yourself. I'll also have a link down below so you can download the CSV file that I'm going to have set up for you. And all you have to do, again, is open up your CSV file. Again, this is set up for something else, so I'll have ad copy for Siphon in here. All you have to do is come here, hit Control F, go to replace, put in the Siphon link that's in here, which will be my link, and then add your own link here to replace it with. Click Replace All, and it's going to replace all of those links with your own Siphon link. All right, and then what I do is I would take. You can just do the same thing with the dates. When you get the script, this is set up for the entire month of August 2015. All you have to do is use the Control F feature to find and replace all the dates with whatever month and year that you're looking at this right now. And then I suggest keeping this at every hour. Posting 24 times a day for your Siphon system is plenty. All right, you can actually change if you want. I found that posting once per hour is actually works really good, especially if you have a lot of followers and your tweets get pushed down pretty quickly. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Look out for tomorrow's video where I'm going to talk to you about how to start using Pinterest to get a ton of signups in your Siphon system. So with that, take care, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.